Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your contact info on your YouTube channel. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you want to add your contact info, so in order for your viewers to contact you, you need to watch this tutorial. So first, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com, and then just go ahead and log in your account. And now you want to click on your profile picture here at the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, take note your YouTube profile picture, okay, at the right side of your notification bell. And now you want to click on YouTube Studio. And now you want to click on customization. You can see that here at the left side of your screen. And now you want to click on basic info right here and scroll down until you see contact info section. So as you can see here, let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. The email address you enter may appear in the about section of your channel and be visible to viewers. So just go ahead and type your email address here and just go ahead and click on publish so that your action will be saved. So now as you can see, changes published. So when you refresh your page, you can see that your contact info is now saved. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.